What's happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tune. Today's video is on this gorgeous Golf R. It's having a new Airtec induction kit and a muffler delete on the induction kit as well, and black carbon tips. So stay tuned to see how this one goes. So as you can see in front of us on the Golf R, the new Airtec intake system is on, and the new muffler delete is at the back as well, just to allow more pressure to be put through it and less boost being lost. So hopefully it's going to have some nice turbo noises now, and then we're going to go up to the back of the car to the exhaust and have a look at where we're changing the tips from the normal ones that he's got on already to the carbon ones. So as we can see at the back of the car, he's already got these nice fins that really make the back of these cars look really good and stand out. He has got the neochrome tips on that we're going to be replacing for the black carbon. So hopefully it's going to change the whole look of the back of the car. It looks really nice already, but we're just going to go one step further and make it look even better. So as you can see behind the Golf R that's had the tips changed, look at these new carbon tips. Totally different look to the car. So obviously we had the blue neon backs to it before, the twins. Looks loads better now and sounds really good too. Absolutely great looking car now. It's really finished off the look of the car, and the intake system is on as well. Look at that. Looks loads better, tidied up the engine bay really well. So the Golf R is absolutely mental. It looks loads better and sounds even better as well. So if you want your car tuning or any exhaust work, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.